Hey everyone, welcome back to Makeup Without Limitations. Eyes are getting better, but before I go put drops, it's almost time for drops time. And by the middle of the day, my eyes are gunky and sticky and everything. So I'm trying to create this video real quick so I can go do my drops. Today's video is something that I found and I love it. It has a backstory, and the backstory is kind of like, real TMI. So I am just going to go through this section and leave the TMI out because when I found this, things change. I noticed for the last 5 months I have an ingrown hair, in my, like in the islands will say twat, or your cat, or your pum pum, or your. So we have lots of names we call it. But I have an ingrown hair and I cannot seem to locate it. But it grows straight and it bothers me. So I shave often. And me shaving often has completely changed my pH balance. And I notice the more often I shave, the little gel that's on the razor irritates me to the point where I had to end up at the gynecologist. Okay, so that's the backstory, which we won't go into, but that's where it started. I was in Ulta and I was looking for something else, but then I came across honey pot wipes. And I was like, oh, let me try these. It's a intimate parts body plus face. And I have seen honey pot mentioned many times on Accessorize Your Life 60, which is Julia. So I said, okay, let me try this. So because what I was going for happened to not be on the shelf where it used to be, and they replaced it with honey pot. I came home, I used it a couple times. I noticed, irritation, feeling good, going away. So I went on their site. They have so many things, which I want to try later on. But it was this that saved me. It is the Honey Pot Intimate Wash Sensitive pH Balance 3.5 to 4.5. This thing right here saved my coochie. You know what I mean? It saved my coochie. And I asked my husband, I say, that time, and I'm talking back in January, I say, when you go to Target, I send him a picture. I say, check this out for me, because I say, by the time I order it from their website and stuff like that, and I couldn't remember if Ulta had that. So he bought it for me. This is a liquid, very liquidy, but you shake it and it has all the instructions. You shake it and it becomes a foam. And that foam you rub together and you watch your coochie, or if you call it your twat or your pum pum, like we say in St. Thomas, or your cat, like we also say in St. Thomas. Wash, and this, every time I shave, this works like magic. So now I use it every single day. Whether I shave or not, I use it because this saved me. So I'm sharing with you so it can save somebody out there. Take my word for it, but you can try it and see if you like it. I also went at Walmart and I bought another cucumber and aloe honey pot. I also bought the honey pot plant-derived feminine care cucumber and aloe intimate parts plus body. And this is it right here. I haven't opened this one. And it says gynecologist approved pH balance 3.5 to 4.5 and gentle, non-irritating. I stand by this. I stand by this. So because this is empty, I picked up the big refillable 10.5 refillable. So I can refill this. This maybe have one pump in it. So I'm going to show you. I shake it. And you pump. This is how it comes out when you shake it in a foam. And then you just rub together and it becomes this. You see my hand? And you just wash your private or your twat or your coochie. In Dominica, we're a little braver. We call it the real thing, like it starts with a P. You know what I mean? So, and it ends with a Y. In Dominica, that's how we say it. So that saved me. I love to share things like that with you when I get it, because if it helped me, I want it to help somebody else. If you have tried this, let me know in the comments. Let me know your experience and what you think about it. I rate this a 5. Solid 5. No ands, if, or buts about this. Solid 5. If you have not tried it, let me know if you plan to try it. Ulta sells it, Target sell it, Walmart. I saw it in Walgreens. I mean, it's now getting a lot of places. As far as I know, this was created by Black women. It says, made by humans with vaginas, for humans with vaginas. That's what it says right here. So again, if you plan to pick it up, let me know. And on their website, they also have a deodorant and a body wash, which is the 2 other things I want to try, which I'll order at a later date. But these you can get at at a local store near you. Just look it up and see if they sell it. I just wanted to share this with you. I hope you like what I'm sharing with you. If so, give me a purple heart. I love you all dearly. I am coming along slowly. No makeup on the eyes yet because my right eye took a little detour and it had a small infection for 2 weeks, but nothing major. So it's a little slow in healing. But other than that, my spirits have been lifted. They were down. Trust me, they were down. That will be in another video. Because when you have to do all these drops every hour of the day, 3-4 drops, it dims your light. But I didn't let that let me down. So I will tell you about that a little bit more in another story. But right now, I am doing fantastic. And I pray that you are doing fantastic. And I send you lots of love so you can have joy and laughter in your life. I'll talk to you all again soon. Bye bye.